In this video, I will be showing you how to make a mind map in Canva. Let's get started. First, I start on the Canva homepage. I head over to the search bar at the top, type in mind map, and press enter to look for templates. As the results load, Canva displays a wide variety of mind map layouts and brainstorming templates that I can choose from. I scroll down through the template gallery to browse different styles, colors, and layouts until I find one that fits my project. I see a purple organic mind map template that looks great, so I click on it to open the preview modal. Once the details pop-up appears, I click the purple Customize this template button to open it inside the Canva editor. Now that the editor has loaded, I can see the full template canvas with all its default text boxes and connecting lines. I click on the main title in the center, Mind Mapping, to select it. Next, I select one of the surrounding topic branches, like the goals bubble, so I can start customizing its appearance. To customize the color of this shape, I click on the color swatch icon in the top toolbar. A color palette panel opens on the left side, and I choose a solid purple shade to update the bubble color. Next, I want to change the typography, so I click the font drop-down menu at the top. I scroll through the available fonts, previewing styles like Sports World and Anton, and choose the font that matches my overall design. Now I move on to adjusting the structural layout and connection lines. I select different nodes on the canvas, right-click to view formatting options, and reorganize the branch locations. I click and drag the connector line handles to attach them cleanly between the main topic boxes and secondary subtopics. I can easily move shapes around, fine-tune alignment, and adjust connector endpoints to keep the mind map organized. Once I am happy with the layout and design of my mind map, it is time to export the file. I navigate to the top right corner and click on the Share button. From the menu, I select Download. Make sure the format is set to PNG, and click the purple Download button to save the image directly to my computer. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make mind map in Canva.